Hi there. Welcome back to our channel. Here, we share personal financial knowledge with like-minded people who are tired of living paycheck to paycheck, being consistently worried about money. However, it's not a quick fix, and it requires years of hard work and guidance. But trust us, the result is a peaceful life. We are sharing all the information you would ever need to make you stand on financially firm ground. All you gotta do is to watch all the playlists created just for people like you so that you can gain this knowledge step by step like a course. Again, please watch all the playlists maintained on this channel, starting right from beginning to end. All these playlists are designed in a way that they take you one step further. So let's move to this video then, shall we? Welcome to our video on understanding basic tax concepts. Taxes can be complex, but everyone should have a basic understanding of how they work. In this video, we will break down the key concepts, types of taxes, calculations, and their importance. So let's dive in. What are taxes? Taxes are mandatory financial contributions imposed by governments on individuals and businesses. Taxes play a vital role in supporting public services and government activities. Various types of taxes exist, each serving a specific purpose. Types of taxes. Income tax. Income tax is levied on individuals' and businesses' earnings. It is typically calculated based on income brackets and rates set by the government. Income taxpayers need to file a tax return annually. Sales tax. Sales tax is a percentage-based tax imposed on the sale of goods or services. Consumers encounter sales tax when making purchases. Different regions and countries have varying sales tax rates. Property tax. Property tax is based on the value of real estate properties. Property owners pay taxes to support local governments and public services. Corporate tax. It is levied on the profits of businesses and corporations. Governments impose corporate tax to generate revenue and regulate business activities. Excise tax. It is imposed on specific goods like alcohol, tobacco, and gasoline. The purpose of excise tax is often to discourage the consumption of harmful substances. Tax calculations. Tax calculations differ based on the type of tax being considered. Income tax usually involves applying specific rates and considering deductions or exemptions. Sales tax is calculated as a percentage of the purchase price. Property tax is determined based on the assessed value of the property. Importance of tax concepts. Taxes fund public services such as healthcare, education, infrastructure, and defense. Understanding tax concepts helps individuals plan their finances efficiently. Proper knowledge of taxes can prevent legal issues and penalties. Congratulations! You now have a fundamental understanding of basic tax concepts. Remember, taxes are an essential part of our society, and comprehending their concepts empowers you financially. Whether you are an employee, business owner, or simply a taxpayer, this knowledge will guide you in your tax-related decisions. Stay tuned for more informative videos on various topics. Thank you for watching.